I'm Butch with RoughCo, and this is Luke with My Construction. They're located out of Indiana. We're on a job site in Louisville, Kentucky, and Mike's responsible for dewatering this pond behind us. And to do that, they're required to filter the water. And they've chosen to use two of RoughCo's products to filter this basin. And what we're going to do is Luke's going to help me demonstrate how this process works. What we're doing is using this pump-it tube while we're pumping out this basin. A new feature for the pump-it tube are these pouches. These pouches contain chitosan. It's a material that naturally flocks the water. So basically, when the water runs across these pouches, it sets a charge off and separates the particles in the water and then lets the clear water pass through. So the goal is to pump the basin through this bag, flocking the material before it leaves the pump-it tube. All right, what we're doing is we're lowering in the RoughCo Easy Inlet Guard into the corners with the brackets. All right, right now Luke is putting the grate down over top the side over here to hold the frame in place. So now you have a RoughCo Easy Inlet Guard protecting the basin, and when we start pumping through the pump-it tube, even though we're filtering out of the pump-it tube, it's also going to be filtering through this Easy Inlet Guard that's hanging inside the basin. So what we're doing now, we're starting to drain the basin. You can see the water coming through the inlet guard or the pump-it tube. As you can see, the pump-it tube's working like it should. You have the chitosan pouches separating the particles in the water, and as you can see what's coming out, pretty clear water. And it's containing all the particles inside this bag. Any other particles that do leave this will be captured below in the Easy Inlet Guard. All right, we've pumped through the pump-it tube for a little while, and I want to show Luke the process of taking the bag off and just seeing how much is being collected on the inside of these pump-it tubes. And you can see the fine particles that's been collected on the inside of this, which does not get into the storm drain, which is what the utility in this area does not want to happen. What we've done is shown My Construction how to dewater this basin in a more cost-effective way using the RoughCo products.